So what is this Art of Touch workshop about? It is about fully using the potential of this language of physical touch to communicate love and your emotions. Touch, it's not an on or off thing. It has many layers. It can communicate many emotions. And it's not a one-way street. It is a duplex. It is giving and it is about listening as well with your presence and with your full soul. So in this workshop, we will explore about how to have different technique, intention, so that we can establish trust in our touch so that it's acceptable for you and acceptable for me. And it is a profound way to communicate your love without words and without argument.